Cucumber. Pasta castellania. Yoghurt. Waa mashiin qudaarta ka dhigaya sida baastada. Okay, here's suugaan kusoo daraya. There you go. Suugaan kusoo daray. And then sida pasta dubanaysa. See that? You really don't need the junk food. You can turn your favorite dish into a healthy meal anytime.